Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about different ways that you can eliminate your credit card debt once and for all. Step 1, what you can do is work on transferring your balance. Credit cards have interest rates that vary from company to company. They could be variable or they could be fixed. If they're variable rates, that means they change from month to month, and you can't really predict what you're going to be paying for your purchases on a month-to-month basis. So in order to eliminate that, you can transfer your balance to a 0% interest rate credit card via an introductory offer. So these introductory offers work where you pay nothing to transfer your balance and you get a 0% interest rate. That interest rate is only available for a limited time. For example, you may have a 0% interest rate for 6 months or 18 months, but you can start taking a big chunk out of what you owe to the credit card company. Just take advantage of paying as much as possible before that introductory rate expires. Then afterwards, you want to start reducing some of the purchases that you make using your credit card. Next, ask for a break. We all need a break every now and then, right? And credit card companies know that. They have these options available for you. So reach out to your credit card company and tell them, hey, I need a break. Well, let me explain how that works. Say your interest rate is 15% and you aren't able to keep up with your payments. Let the credit card company know that. And they may reduce your interest rate to 5% for a limited time. It could be 6 months, it could be a year, it could be 3 months, just so that you can start catching up on your credit card payments and get yourself in a better financial situation. Finally, you can get a workout plan. If you've transferred your balance or if you've asked for a break and those things don't seem to be working for you, you can get a workout plan. So what happens with a workout plan is you work with an individual like me, a financial coach, and we sit down together and we evaluate your budget, your income, your expenses, what you have going towards your savings and investing, and just find different ways that you can start paying more towards your credit card balances. And also find additional ways that you can start eliminating some of the expenses that you have. So those are 3 ways that you can become debt-free with your credit cards. If you found value in this video, like, subscribe, share, reach out to me if you want to get started on that workout plan. The links are below on how you can contact me. Thanks for joining me.